If your sandwich duo forms never sit correctly or your structure always feels inconsistent, this is usually not your product, it is your understanding of the system. Not all sandwich system works the same way, even if they look identical. Different arches, different depths, and different shapes completely change the final structure. These are sneak peek small videos that reveals what's inside my Sandwich Duo Form System online course. I cover everything from practical lessons to very valuable theory. In this online course, I teach you how to select the correct form based on structure, not just the width, and how that decision affects your apex, your sidewalls, and overall nail structure and balance. You will learn how to control alignment using a central axis so your nail sits straight, balanced, and consistent every time, not corrected later through filing. My signature minimum skin contact, placing the bottom of the sandwich duo form in depth. Product placement inside the form is not random. You would learn how to pre-build the structure so the apex and strength are already created before the imprint. This is what a correct structure looks like: clean imprint, controlled thickness, and consistency curve, whether you are working with long or short forms. This course covers polygel and builder gel application as well. This is not a surface level demonstration. I explain every detail, a decision, every mistake, and every correction, so you understand why things go wrong and how to fix them professionally. You get a lifetime access. You can learn at your own pace and revisit the lessons at any time. You can start immediately after enrollment. You get a certificate of completion, a private student support with expert feedback, 3 downloadable PDFs, premium one-to-one personalized feedback available as an add-on. If you want to master Sandwich Duo forms properly and achieve clean professional results every time, you can join the full online masterclass.